Now, the traditional way to make money with YouTube has been through ad revenue. So you're just getting paid per amount of views on YouTube. But in the last few years, I've noticed that the ad revenue has really taken a dive. And I've heard this from a lot of other creators as well. So this means that I've had to come up with other ways that I can earn money. And I've found a way that I'm actually earning 5 to 10 times as much money per view on YouTube than the ad revenue. It'll be about 10-15 minutes long. So grab a coffee and you can see how I make money on YouTube. This is good money. It's a lot better than the ad revenue. Stick around and I'll show you how to do it right now. So first of all, if you are doing YouTube in any format, even as a consumer, you need to get TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is an extension for YouTube and it gives you advanced long tail keyword research and a whole suite of tools. So you can see the keywords that other people have used on their videos. It gives you advanced analytics. It gives you all sorts of suggestions for your own videos. And yes, there is a free version and it's perfectly fine. I used TubeBuddy free for about 3 years and it did everything I needed it to do. I'll leave a link to my link tree in the description and the pinned comment of this video. This is my link tree here, and just go down to where it says TubeBuddy extension. That is my referral link and you can get the TubeBuddy extension for free, and if you ever go on to purchase it, you'll get a lifetime discount with that link as well. So I was using TubeBuddy today and seeing if there was any, good topics for me to create a YouTube video on. And it says that lots of people are searching how to make money on YouTube 2023 and that there is not that much competition for that. So that's what I'm making this video topic on. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically when there is another company and you sign up to their affiliate program, they'll give you a link to their website. And then if you drive traffic to their website and then those people go and purchase off of that website, you will get a kickback, also known as a commission. I want to show you the power of affiliate marketing on YouTube with some of my recent success. So this is a video that I posted in March of this year, so not all that long ago. And you notice that it's only gotten about 9,000 views, which is not really a lot. And that's fairly achievable for YouTube. You'll notice that I received $112.40 in ad revenue. Now that is in Australian dollars. So if that was in US dollars, it means I've made about $75 for that video. $75 is not enough for my time to make that video. The video took me about 2 or 3 hours to make. It takes sort of the best part of 3 hours to do the entire process to upload it to YouTube, to keyword it and everything. So basically my system is really simple. I search the internet and I find cool affiliate programs for software that I think is interesting. And then I sign up for the free trial. So this is one called Fleeky AI. That's my affiliate backend. I sign up for their affiliate program and then I just use the free trial to test out the software and I turn it into a short tutorial, which I then upload to YouTube. So the only traffic that I have been driving to this Fleeky AI affiliate program has been coming from YouTube. You'll see that I've gotten 438 clicks and I've so far made $381 US. So that US dollars in Australian dollars is about almost $600. So you can see here I've made around $100 from the ad revenue, but I have made $600 from the affiliate program. So I'm making 6 times as much money from the affiliate program as I am from the actual ad revenue. So now I've spent 3 hours and I've made $700. That is worth my while to do. That is worth my time. I could do 2 videos a day, and even if they didn't perform as well as this, I would be earning $1,000 a day. That's good money in my books. Just a quick announcement, did you know that 99.1% of the people who watch my videos aren't even subscribed to this channel, where you get incredible value every day? You can learn how to make money online, free yourself up, leave your job and provide for yourself and your family. I think that's a pretty good deal, and I think I give away a lot of value for free. So if you haven't already, take this moment to subscribe to the channel and pop on the notifications bell, and it will tell you every time that I release a new video. You can be one of the first people to see it. But here's the cool thing. This video has only been up since March, so it's been up for about 4 months. This video I have keyworded really well, and you'll see using my TubeBuddy plugin that a lot of these search terms here with those nice little green numbers are appearing really high. Whenever someone types in Fleeky AI review, my video is the second one to land. If you want to learn how to get your videos to rank really high in YouTube, that's using video SEO. There's a number of really good hacks and ways to do that. I cover that all in my course, which is going to be released in a week. And that's that top link on my link tree, how to make money on YouTube. This course will be released in a week, but you can pop your email down there and I'll notify you as soon as the course is available. Full disclosure, it is a paid course, but it's a lot cheaper than a lot of these other internet gurus. I'll let you know as soon as that course is available, but you can also get a lot of free content here on my YouTube channel where I give you heaps of value. So this video was 3 hours of my time and it's made me about $700, but here's the cool thing. This video will continue to make ad revenue on YouTube because it's ranked really high. It will make me money year after year. And it will also continue to give me more commissions. But here's the kicker. On Fleeky AI, these customers are paying a monthly fee. You'll see here that all of these customers are paying about $25 a month. And I'm getting about almost $9 of that, $9 a month. In my experience, about half or more of these people renew their plans, and a lot of them stay on for a year or more. So that could very well be double that in about another 3 or 4 months, and also this. So that means that I've gotten about $1,500 for 3 hours work. Definitely worth doing. Let's get down to the practical elements of how you could actually do this. So first of all, you need to find some affiliate programs to sign up for. I have a list of really good affiliate programs on my website, studiohacks.net. So I'll leave a link to that in the description and pinned comment as well. That can give you a good head start. Another resource you can use is this website called Futurepedia, and it's got all of these AI tools. A lot of these have affiliate programs. I would just go and search through this website. Let's check out this one called Durable. I'm just going to visit the website. So this is Durable. So all we're going to need to do to find out, so this is a AI software that builds websites. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and hopefully you'll see something that says, here we are, affiliate program or partner program. Just click on that. And then you'll usually just have to go through a sign up process. It'll ask you what your name is. It will often ask for some of your social media handles or what is your website, in which case I would just post a link to my YouTube channel as my website. Some of them will just say that you're approved straight away. Other times it'll take a couple of days. I really like the affiliate programs that host their own affiliate program on their website, and then they just give you a simple affiliate dashboard like this. And I just have a list of all my affiliate programs here that I'm promoting in a nice folder structure, so I can just check the back ends of any of those. But oftentimes you'll just get sent an email saying that you have earned a commission. To show you the power of what's possible with affiliate marketing, I'll show you my Copy AI backend. I've been promoting Copy AI for about 5 months, and you'll see that my total amount earned is almost $4,000, and that's from almost 15,000 clicks. And then that's paying me monthly passive income. Even though I've stopped promoting that for the moment heavily, I am still getting paid every month of all the people that are renewing. So you can make really good money with affiliate marketing. From here, it's really simple. If I was promoting Fleeky AI, I would just sign up for their free trial, or alternatively, what I like to do is I pay for 1 month of their premium. And it's usually $20 or $30. And I will, test out everything, try out all the tools. And while I'm trying it out, I just use this screen recording software to turn it into a review or a tutorial. It's really simple and easy to create content. All you really need to get started is a laptop or a desktop computer with an inbuilt webcam and an inbuilt microphone. If you want to do it a bit more professionally like me, you can get an external microphone. You can get like a Bluetooth microphone or a USB mic, and an external webcam. Both you can get really cheaply off of Amazon.com or something like that. As far as the software, I use ScreenFlow for Mac, but OBS Studio is the other screen recording software you can use. And I go through all of that in my course about, the technical aspects of how to make these screen recording videos like you're watching right now. And they're so quick and easy to make because I literally just walk into my studio. I'm trying out a bit of software. I just switch on the screen recorder and it's recording. It's ready to go. And then I just make my content, quickly edit it in a video editor. I like ScreenFlow because it has its own video editor. But if you record with OBS Studio, you'll probably need like CapCut Studio or some free software just to edit it into a nice YouTube video. And then all you need to do is grab your affiliate link. So let's have a look at what I've done here. So I'll show you the actual video because this will give you a good idea. Depending on how aggressively you want to make money online, if you really wanted to grow fast, like I did when I first started getting serious with studio hacks, I was making 3 videos every day. Now that was a lot of work and I started to get very sick of it after about a month or 2. I suggest a really good amount, if you're taking this full time, is to just do 1 full-length video a day and maybe 1 short. If it's something that you want to do part-time, the minimum I would suggest is 1 or 2 videos every week. It just depends on how fast you want to grow. And there's always the possibility that you will get a viral video or a video with 50 or 100,000 views, in which case you'll make some really big, really good commissions. So you'll see here that I've done Fleeky AI Review, the ultimate AI-powered video creator. So I've actually used this software to make some YouTube shorts on one of my other channels. So I know how it works, and it was very easy for me to create a tutorial for it. And then all I do is I pop my affiliate link. I say, get your Fleeky AI free trial right here. And I mention it in the video too. And oftentimes when you sign up to one of these affiliate programs, some of them even give you a special discount for people who sign up through your link. So you can say, if you want a discount for this software, sign up through this link. Another really good way to find new affiliate programs and other affiliate programs is with this website called SimilarWeb. So I can just get the Fleeky AI website, just the base website. So now that I know that Fleeky AI has an affiliate program, I can pop that website into SimilarWeb. And then that will actually show me all of the major competitors to that website. So I can scroll down. What I'm looking for is, let's have a look down the bottom here. Here we are, similar sites and Fleeky AI competitors. So now I can go through all of these websites and find out if they have affiliate programs and sign up for them and start promoting them. I know that Pictory has an affiliate program. I've done really well out of that one. I know that Murph AI has an affiliate program, and I know that Canva also has an affiliate program. So that's one way that you can find more affiliate programs. Go to Futurepedia, go to my website, use the link, and I'll show you the ones that I'm currently doing from this list right here. So yeah, that's basically the steps. Find an affiliate program, sign up for it, do a review or a tutorial of how to use that software. You can even do it with a mobile phone, and you can do like a YouTube short. That also works. I've had a lot of luck doing some affiliate marketing on TikTok, where I talk about different affiliate programs, and then I just have my link tree in my TikTok. So you can do it with just a phone if you really want. Make your video, do a quick little edit, upload it to YouTube, make sure it's got a good description, good keywords, that you do all your video SEO, which I can teach you if you like. I also take on one-on-one students if you want me to train you via Skype or via Zoom. I do accept bookings, so check out my link tree for that as well. But once the video is up, just sit back. It won't happen immediately because we're trying to get search-based traffic. So this will like slowly drip feed this video with potential customers that are going to sign up to Fleeky AI over a few months. So I like to go and check back in on videos I made 3 or 4 months ago and see how they've gone, rather than like one that I made yesterday and just look at it every day. That'll send you insane. Just make the content, upload it, do the best you can, get a good thumbnail, and next day move on and do another video. If you do that every day, you could easily be earning a full-time income from YouTube like I do in 3 to 6 months, realistically. Probably a year for a good income, but if you want to get going and do 2 or 3 videos a day, you could get to the point where you're earning $100 to $200 a day in as little as 3 or 4 months, because with affiliate marketing, you can get the payments pretty much straight away. They take about 30 days to get to your PayPal or your bank account. But with YouTube, you have to wait with the views. They have to build up. It takes a long time. And also you have to wait until you've got enough subscribers to get monetized as well. So the good thing about affiliate marketing is you can make money with YouTube even if your channel is not big enough to satisfy the monetization requirements of YouTube. So that's it. I think that was some incredible value for you all. If you did find this video valuable, like I said, only 0.9% of the people who watch my videos have actually subscribed to me. So take this moment to do us a favor and subscribe. Pop a comment in this video if you've got any questions, and I will endeavor to get back to you. If you want to get really serious about your YouTube journey, book a call with me or take the YouTube course, where I've condensed 6 years worth of my YouTube knowledge into about 4 hours of content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.